Have you been watering your lawn every day, yet it still keeps turning yellow? It can be frustrating to spend more time caring for your grass and see very little improvement. What surprises many gardeners is that adding more water can sometimes make a struggling lawn look even worse instead of better. Over many growing seasons, one simple pattern has appeared again and again. The lawns that recover the best are not always the ones that receive the most water. Instead, they often receive something completely different. The good news is that this isn't an expensive lawn treatment or a special product sold at a garden center. It's a simple pharmacy powder that usually costs only a couple of dollars, and many experienced gardeners quietly keep it nearby. If this feels confusing, you're not doing anything wrong. Yellow grass can send mixed signals, and it's easy to misunderstand what it needs. Before explaining why this happens, it helps to understand what your lawn may actually be trying to tell you. When grass begins losing its healthy green color, the first thought for many people is that it must be thirsty. Sometimes that is true, especially during long periods of hot, dry weather. But yellow grass can also be caused by several other problems that have nothing to do with a lack of water. The soil may be packed too tightly, making it difficult for roots to breathe. Important nutrients may be missing. The roots may have been damaged by stress. The ground may stay wet for too long after rain, leaving little oxygen below the surface. Even normal seasonal changes can affect the color of your lawn. These different situations may all produce similar yellow patches, even though they require different solutions. That is why adding more water does not always help. In some cases, it simply hides the real problem while the grass continues to struggle underneath. One of the most common lawn problems actually begins below the soil, where water alone cannot solve it. When gardeners notice fading color, many react quickly. They water every morning, then again in the evening, hoping the extra moisture will bring the lawn back to life. This response is completely understandable, but it often creates a new challenge. Frequent shallow watering encourages grass roots to stay close to the surface instead of growing deeper into the soil. Shallow roots dry out more easily during warm weather, making the lawn even more dependent on frequent watering. At the same time, constantly wet soil may encourage fungal diseases and reduce the amount of oxygen reaching the roots. Instead of becoming stronger, the lawn becomes weaker over time. If this sounds familiar, don't feel discouraged. This happens to thousands of gardeners every year. It is one of the most common mistakes because it seems like the kind and caring thing to do. Yet healthy lawns often need balance instead of constant attention. There is another factor many people never consider, and it involves a simple mineral that quietly supports healthy grass. Healthy grass begins with healthy roots. The green blades we see above the ground depend completely on what is happening below the surface. Roots need oxygen just as much as they need water. They also need nutrients from the soil and enough sunlight for the leaves to produce energy through photosynthesis. All of these parts work together. If one part struggles, the whole lawn can begin to lose color. Think of it this way. Giving more water to unhealthy roots is like giving extra soup to someone who cannot digest food. The problem is not always the amount being offered. The real issue is whether the roots are able to use what they receive. Healthy roots absorb nutrients, support strong growth, and help the grass recover from heat or dry weather. When those roots are stressed, the lawn cannot perform at its best. That is why experienced gardeners spend more time understanding the condition of the soil than simply reaching for the garden hose. And there is one mineral that quietly helps support this entire process. The simple pharmacy powder is Epsom salt, also known as magnesium sulfate. While it may not look like much, it contains two nutrients that can be important for plant health: magnesium and sulfur. Magnesium plays a key role in producing chlorophyll, the natural green pigment that allows plants to capture sunlight. Sulfur also supports healthy plant growth and helps with the use of other nutrients. If your lawn has a magnesium deficiency, adding a small amount of Epsom salt may help improve its color over time. However, it is important to understand what Epsom salt can and cannot do. It is not a complete fertilizer. It does not replace the nitrogen, phosphorus, or potassium that many lawns also need. It is also not a cure for every yellow lawn. If the problem comes from disease, insects, poor drainage, or another nutrient shortage, Epsom salt alone will not solve it. Think of it as one helpful tool rather than a miracle product. The best results come when it is used only where it truly fits the lawn's needs. Gardeners who use Epsom salt correctly often notice small but encouraging changes rather than dramatic overnight results. The lawn may slowly begin showing a richer green color. New growth may appear healthier and more even. Grass that once looked tired may recover more easily after warm weather. These improvements usually happen over several weeks, not in just a few days. Plants naturally grow at their own pace, and healthy changes often require patience. Watching your lawn carefully becomes more valuable than checking it every morning for instant results. Sometimes the biggest difference is not only the color but also the overall strength of the grass. It may become more resilient during changing weather because healthier roots support healthier leaves. Every lawn responds differently, so observation is always more useful than rushing to make another change. Gentle patience often gives you a clearer picture of what is actually helping. Another important thing to remember is that every lawn grows under different conditions. Sandy soil allows water and nutrients to move through quickly, which means magnesium may wash away faster after heavy rain. Clay soil holds moisture longer and may already contain enough minerals for healthy growth. Lawns in very hot climates often face different stresses than those growing in cooler regions. Dry areas may require careful watering, while places with frequent rainfall may struggle more with poor drainage and low oxygen around the roots. Some lawns naturally benefit from extra magnesium, while others may never need it at all. This is why one neighbor may see improvement with Epsom salt while another notices little difference. Nature rarely follows exactly the same pattern everywhere. Paying attention to your own lawn is much more helpful than comparing it with someone else's. Every season teaches something new if we slow down and observe carefully. There are also times when using Epsom salt is not the best choice. If your lawn has a fungal disease, adding magnesium will not treat the infection. Grass that has been damaged by harsh chemicals or over-fertilizing needs time to recover instead of receiving more products. Areas with standing water often have drainage problems that should be corrected first. If the cause of yellow grass is unknown, it may be wise to observe carefully or even consider a simple soil test before adding anything. Starting with a small area allows you to watch how the lawn responds without affecting the entire yard. More is not always better, even with gentle products. Healthy gardening is rarely about doing everything possible. It is often about choosing the right action at the right time and giving nature the opportunity to respond. As you continue caring for your lawn, try asking a different question. Instead of wondering, how much more should I water? Ask yourself, what is my lawn trying to tell me? That simple shift in thinking can make a remarkable difference. Healthy gardens are not created by constant effort alone. They grow through careful observation, small adjustments, and patient care. Expensive products are not always necessary, and quick solutions are rarely the whole answer. Sometimes understanding the condition of the soil is far more valuable than reaching for another bag or bottle. If you're comfortable sharing, I'm curious how often you water your lawn and whether you've ever noticed yellow patches that improved after changing your routine. Your experience may encourage another gardener who is facing the same challenge. If you enjoy simple, practical gardening tips designed to make gardening easier and more enjoyable, consider subscribing and joining us for future videos. Together, we can continue learning how small changes often lead to healthier plants and stronger gardens. Remember, the healthiest lawn is not always the one that receives the most attention. It is often the one that is understood the best. Sometimes the garden improves when we simply step back and observe. Do less, observe more. Let your lawn show you what it needs.